feel that my voice has been suppressed for a long time. And last year I met Ama Sofia, and just through her story and through her song, something just deeply resonated with me, and I realized that there was this part of me that really wanted to express itself.
I'm on this research to really connect to my truth.
I'm here to open and to grow and expand and awaken, and having the courage to actually open and speak my voice and to sing has been huge.
I teach from the shamanic way of the goddess, bringing in the lineage of the rose and helping to activate the womb and the heart, the voice, helping people to sink deeply into presence and love, and to find their voice through harmony, connection to the heart and light language.
What I'm learning through this process is the power of sound, the power of vibration, and the power of sacred vibration.
Sound is the most powerful energy in the universe. Everything was created by the impulse of the sound. And if we become perceptive to this, if we let it go through us, we become in tune with the universe.
It's so much more than my voice in the sense of singing or of sound. It's like the greater expression of how I bring myself into the world.
I feel such a great gift to be able to tune in, to talk to the nature, to talk to the animals, to talk to people, like talk to someone's heart.
It's a vision quest into the self. It's designed to help people to come deeply into presence with the heart and to recognize that there is no need to heal anything, for we are already perfect. That we may just be in disharmony, which causes disease or mental, physical, emotional imbalance. And so we use sound and frequency to be able to reharmonize and help people to reconnect, to relax, to come into presence with self, with the higher self, and allowance of trust.
If this is something that you've been feeling a deep calling to and that you've been inspired to really explore your own voice and your own sound and your own expression, your own creativity, I would highly recommend this course. And Ama Sofia, Rose, and Sundari as teachers, I feel that they hold such a deep and amazing, beautiful, sacred space.
It's so much love and so much authenticity and truth. The way they share their wisdom, it really helps to awaken this wisdom in all of us.
It's our gift almost to humanity to really truly show up in our unique expression, in our gifts, and that feels really empowering to me. That I don't need to be anything, I don't need to be anybody, I just need to be me, and that's the most important part.